Uncontested divorce in Palmdale, how it works. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you and your spouse agree on everything, you may qualify for what's called an uncontested divorce. And in Palmdale, that's the fastest and least stressful way to get divorced. Here's how it works. You'll file the initial petition with the Antelope Valley Courthouse, then properly serve your spouse. Both of you must complete financial disclosures, even if you're in full agreement. From there, the terms of your settlement, like property division, support, or custody, are written into a marital settlement agreement. Once that's submitted along with your judgment, the court can approve your divorce without you ever stepping foot in a courtroom. For example, we recently helped a Palmdale couple who agreed on dividing their house proceeds and retirement accounts. Because they qualified for an uncontested divorce, we had their paperwork finalized, signed, and submitted within weeks, and their judgment was approved without delays. At divorce661.com, we make the uncontested divorce process simple. We prepare, e-file, and finalize everything so your divorce is smooth and efficient from start to finish. If you're in Palmdale and want a stress-free divorce without unnecessary delays, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation today.